මේ වැදගත් පාඩම් බලන්න දැන්ම DP Education YouTube නාලිකාව සබස්ක්‍රයිබ් කරන්න. අලුතෙන් චැනලයට එකතු වෙන පාඩම් මාලා දැනගන්න. බෙල් බටන් එක ඔබලා තියාගන්න. අපි ලංකාවේ දරුවන්ට නොමිලේම ගන්වන ලොකුම ඔන්ලයින් පාසල DP Education.
Hello everyone. We are going to finish this paper today in this video, because we have the question number 6 here. This is which paper? People who knows, if you know, you know. This is the 2017 paper. We have been doing this for 4 videos. This is the 5th video, 5th session. This is the 2017 Western Province paper. Western Province paper. Third term. Third term. Third term, which paper? Paper 2. Third term, paper 2. We are in the accounting part. We are in the accounting part. We did question number 5 in the previous video. This is question number 6. And we have one more. That is question number 7. There is a problem in the question number 7. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to make it clear to you at the end of this video. All right. Here we are. Question number 6. Roman number 1. Explain what is meant by suspense account. What is meant by suspense account? Well, what is suspense account? What is suspense account? Tell me. What is suspense account? It is the account where the difference of the bank account and bank statement is recorded, right? So the bank account, that is the suspense account. Yeah? No? No. No, that is not the suspense account. That is not the suspense account. Suspense account is the temporary account. Temporary account which we use to record the difference of the trial balance. I repeat, a temporary account. A temporary account which we use to record the difference of the trial balance. Yeah, so you can write it in this manner. Suspense account is a temporary account. Is a temporary account which is used to record difference, the difference of debit and credit sides. Debit and credit sides of the trial balance. Of the trial balance. But remember this. Now, you have to remember this. Temporary. This account is temporary. It's like a plaster. You know, plasters. You take a plaster, remove the wrapper, and paste the plaster on your wound. In school, if you chase after somebody, and if you trip and fall, slip and fall down, and if you damage your knee. You put a plaster on the wound. Oh, let's say you damage your elbow. You put a plaster on the elbow, on the wound. Yeah, suspense account is a plaster. It's a plaster. Last lesson in grade 10 book. The very last lesson. I have done the lesson. You can go in DP YouTube channel and type O level commerce, correction of errors. That lesson is there now. Correction of errors. In that lesson only you get this account, suspense account. In which lesson? Correction of errors. That's right. So when the plaster is put on the wound, is it gonna heal? No, man, I'm asking, will the wound, the තුවාලේ හොඳ වෙනවද? Plaster එකක් ගැහුවා. Will it be healed when you have the plaster on it? No, it's not gonna heal. All right, but you can cover the wound. You can cover the wound. Suspense account is just like that. You just cover the difference of the trial balance with a temporary plaster. Plaster is suspense account. But if you don't find the errors, if you don't trace out the errors, and if you don't correct the errors, this wound is going to be worse. Okay, right, that's it. The wound is going to be worse. That means තුවාලේ පැස්සවනවා. Yes, of course. The plaster is not going to heal the wound. Yeah, you have to remove the plaster. Plaster ගලවන්න. Just like that, suspense account also must be removed after all the errors are corrected. It'll be removed. If you have corrected the errors, the suspense account will be removed. Got it? I'm not going to do the lesson here. You can go and refer to the lesson. Then you can mention it here until the errors are corrected. Errors are corrected. There you go. Explain what is meant by suspense account. Suspense account is a temporary account which is used to record the difference of the trial and difference of the debit and credit side. See, difference of the debit and credit sides of the trial balance until the errors are corrected. Until the errors are corrected. Got it? B part. What is the double entry for immediate banking of 5,000 cash received for sales? Okay. Look at the question now. Just look at this. First of all, you need to read the question. Yeah, first of all, you read the question. What is the double entry for immediate banking of 5,000 cash received? When you receive cash, you debit to the cash book. When you receive cash, debit to the cash book. Debit to the cash book. Credit to the sales account, because you receive the money by selling goods. Okay, sales credit, Sales account credit. Cash account debit. But here, what are they saying? They are saying immediate banking of 5,000 cash received for sales. You don't get the cash to your hand. The cash is going immediately to the bank. Then bank account should be debit. Okay, bank account debit 5,000. Cash account credit. No, cash account. No. Because the bank money increases, bank account is debited. Bank money increases, no. So bank account debited, sales account credited. Sales account credited 5,000. This is the double entry. Got it? Let's go. Following balance was to be seen in Chamatka's business. Following balance was to be seen in Chamatka's business as at first. First November, right? 1st November, yeah. Creditors account opening balance 28,000 credit. Blah blah blah. What are they saying now? This is the question. Following balance was to be seen in Chamatka's business as at 1st November. Balance is given. That is the balance. Now wait. What balance is given? Which balance? What balance? Whose balance is given? Creditors account balance. Well, a creditor is a liability. So, the opening balance is on the credit side. See? Credit, 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 credit. Credit side. Now, let's check. What are they saying? What they are saying? Settled to creditors on 7th November, 9,500, discount received. Settled to creditors again 15th November, okay, was 15,000, and discount received was 10%. Okay, what are they saying? You are required to record the above transactions in the creditor's account and show the balance. Oh, that is the problem now. That is not a problem. That is not a problem. No problem. No. That is not a problem. What are they saying? You are required to, okay, record the above transactions in the creditor's account and show the balance asset. Right. 1st December, see. 1st December, see. That is not a problem. We just have to record the above transactions in the creditor's account. So, draw the creditor's account. Draw a creditor's account. It is just a T account, children. Just a T account. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just a T account. Name the creditor's account. What is the name? What is the name? What is the name now? Tell me what is the name. You tell me. You. Here, girlie. That one, yeah. What is the name of this account? I just drew one account now. Tell me how to name this. Yes, that's it. Creditor's account. What else? Creditor's account. That is the name. creditors account. Because see, creditors account balance now given here. See, creditors account, opening balance 28,000, credit side. Put to the credit side 28,000. Okay. There's nothing more here to think or to, imagine. Put balance brought forward because this is the opening balance, 28,000. Balance brought forward, BBF. If you want, you can write BBF also, BBF. Now check about, let's look at the transactions. We recorded this one. Okay, this is okay. Settled to creditors 7th 11th was 9,500 and discount received was 500. Now we have settled. This is Chamatka's business now. We are the bookkeepers of Chamatka. Okay, this creditors account we are preparing, you and me. All right, on behalf of Chamatka. Chamatka is the business owner of our business, right? Yeah, that's right. And this, in this transaction number 1, we have settled, that means paid to creditors 9,500 and discount received 500. When we pay money, cash goes out, so cash account is credited, creditors account is debited. This is the creditors account, this should be debited 9,500 and there is a cash discount. See the discount? See? Can you see this discount receipt? Discount. You have to record that here. 500. Description is cash for 9,500 and discount received for the 500. For this 500 discount receipt. Got it? That is also done. Settle to creditors again we are paying. Cash going out. Cash account credit. Creditors account debit. That's how it is, right? Settle to creditors 15th. Oh, we didn't put the date here. 7th, 11th. This one also 7th, 11th. Next one 15th, 11th. Okay, 15th, 11th. Second, this one. 15th, 11th. The amount is how much? 15,000. Discount received again 10%. So cash paid 15,000, but discount was there. A discount was deducted. 15,000 from this amount, 10%. From 15,000, 10% means how much? From 15,000, 10% means 1,500. This is the discount. Got it? That discount should be recorded. 13,500 is the discounted value. After the discount, 1,500 is subtracted 13,500. And how much is the discount value? 1,500. There you go. Yeah, that's it. We recorded both the transactions. First one done, second one also done. Now let's balance. Nothing more to record or to think otherwise. Draw the total boxes. I call them total boxes. And get the total. 28,000 is the total that is in the credit side. Credit side total is the highest, the greater total. Put that total, the sum on both sides, 28,000. Now subtract the debit side total. 9,500 plus 500, 10,000. 10,000 plus 15,000. 9,500 plus 500, 9,500, 10,000, 10,000, 25,000. The total is 25,000 on the debit side, okay? 25,000 on the debit side. And you have to subtract from 28,000. Answer is 3,000. That is your answer. 3,000 is the balance carried down on 30th, 11th. Balance carried down. Should be brought down. Balance brought down to the credit side. Just like this balance brought down opening balance. Just like the opening balance. You have to do the balance brought down to the credit side, that is 3,000. This is 1st of December. 1st of December, right? 1st of December. Balance brought down. That is what they're asking, see? 1st of December 2016. Got it? That's it. We are done. Finished. Can you see this? Can you see the entire account? Yeah, this is it. That's it. Next question. The bank account prepared for Anuhas's business. Anuhas's business. Anuhas's. This guy is a famous guy, ne? Anuhas. Famous guy, ne? Anuhas. For the month of August. For the month of August 2017 is given. This is the bank account. This is the bank account. This is the bank account, okay? I'm sure on the next page they must have given the bank statement. Is it there? It's there. Where is the next page? I didn't go to the next page. Here we go. Bank statement. The bank statement of Anuhas's business, see, for the month is as follows. bank statement by Anuhas's business for the month is given. Bank statement is given. Now you check whether the bank statement final balance is tallying with your bank account, with Anuhas's bank account final balance. You must check. You must check this balance, final balance. This is the balance column. Balance column last row is the final balance. Okay. Final balance 56,250. Is it tallying with your with Anuhas's bank account final balance? No, it's not tallying. It's not tallying. Not tallying. It is not tallying. Can you see this? Bank account final balance. See final balance. See 52,000 here in the bank account of the business prepared by the business. In the bank statement prepared by the bank side, the side of the bank, their final balance is 56,000. Well, that is a problem. Yeah, that is a problem. Yeah. Now we have to do the rest. Yeah. Here we go. This is what they have given. See. What are we to do? What are we supposed to do? We are supposed to amend the bank account balance. 2 marks. Amend means adjust or correct the bank account balance. Then prepare the bank reconciliation statement. 2 marks. And then prepare the bank reconciliation. That's what they are asking. This is a bank reconciliation question. The traditional bank reconciliation question. See? Bank reconciliation statement. Yeah. That's it. There's no magic here. Just a bank reconciliation statement. Let's do it. Now this is the next part. Now children, we have space on this slide. If I send this slide up, likewise. So I'm going to do it right here. Because now we have the bank account here and the bank statement here nicely lined up on the same slide. Nothing we are missing here. There's nothing we are missing. Everything is here. This is the bank account. This is the statement. This is the statement. Everything's here. No need to go anywhere. Right? We'll do it here. Yeah. All right. First things first. First things first. First things first. First thing. Check your balance brought forward in the business bank account. It's 60,000. This is the opening balance. Is it tallying with the statement opening balance? Yeah, here we go. It is tallying. Okay. Now do the checking. Our debit side, which means this side. Our debit side. I'm going to write debit in big letters. And then I'm going to write credit again in big letters, okay? Debit credit. On the statement, debit is this side, payment side. Credit is the receiving side, is the credit side. Why? What? I'm not going to teach you anything here. I have done the lesson in grade 10. The lesson is uploaded on YouTube. Okay, you can go to the DP YouTube channel, type grade 10 bank reconciliation, and then you are going to get the video. The full lesson is there, right? We check the debit side of our bank account with the credit side of the statement. We compare debit with credit with debit. Okay, let's do it now. First one, cash 10,000 is in our bank account. That is in the credit side of statement, so no problem. Second entry, 7,500 is in our bank account. That is in the credit side of the bank statement also, so no problem. 3,500 is in our bank account, debit. That is in the bank statement, credit, no problem. Last one, 2,500 is in our bank account, debit. Is it in the credit side? 2,500 in the debit side? No 2,500 in the debit in the credit side of the statement. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna mark this amount. Okay, keep it marked in our bank account. Apart from that guy, which guy? This guy which we marked, I'll say this item. Apart from this item which we marked, there's another item here. See, 7,000. No, let me circle it again. 5,750. Another item which is in the credit side of the statement, that is not appearing on the debit side of our bank account. These items which are missing on both accounts, in our bank account and in the bank statement, in both sides. If any items are not tallying, not commonly recorded, we are gonna circle them, mark them. Okay, right. Next is the credit side story. Next we have the credit side story. Let's check the credit side story. Credit side of our bank account, we are comparing with debit side of the statement. Check 3,721, 15,000, that is in the debit side. 15,000, see, this one is here. 3,721, okay, it's here. Check 3,722, 4,500. 3,722, 4,500. Check 3723 6000. 3723 6000. Check. 3724 2000. 3724 2000. Check. But one last item is there, 3725 4000. This item 3725 4000. That is not here on the debit side. No, it's not here. So let's circle that. Circle it. Okay. Apart from that one, which is not here on the debit side of the statement, in the debit side there is another item of 3000 which is not appearing there in our bank account. So we circled that also. Okay, are you clear now? Okay, now let's first do this one. What? Amend the bank account balance, which means we have to correct this bank account, our bank account. Good. Let's prepare our bank account. I'm just gonna draw a T account. Just gonna draw a T account. And I'm gonna record the balance, which is the final balance which we marked. Can you remember we marked the final balance? This one. I'm talking about this one, which is not tallying. Here. This balance is the one which is not tallying. Isn't it? Isn't it? This balance is the balance which is not tallying. That's what we marked here. And here also, see. This balance is 52,000 is the balance that we should correct, because it is the balance which is not tallying. Mention that balance on the debit side because it's carried down on the credit side, so brought down to the debit side. Balance brought down. Now you know 52,000 should be corrected. That comes here. Got it? Got it. Let's put the missing items of our bank account from the statement. We will take the missing items which are not here in our bank account from here, from the statement. We have the first one, remittance or dividends, 5,750. Remittance or dividends, that is in the credit side of the bank statement, so it should go to the debit side of the bank account. 5,750. 5750. Remittance. This is a direct remittance. Direct remittance. We have learnt about these things. Okay, don't say we have not learnt. We have learnt. Go to the lesson and see. Yeah, bank reconciliation. Direct remittances. From this statement, we took it to the account. We took it to our account. Then we can tick it. Tick. Now let's take this one. It's 3,000 and it is in the debit side. That means it should go to the credit side of our bank account. What is it? Bank charges. Bank charges. Bank charges. This is the adjusted bank account. Adjusted bank account. That's it. Balance it. Balance it. Be quick about it. Let's balance it quickly. Draw the total boxes and take the higher, greater total. In which side do we have the greater total? Greater total. This side. 52,000 plus 5,750. 59,000. No. 52,000 plus 5,000. 57,750. 57,750. From that minus 3,000. 54,750. That is your balance carried down. New balance carried down. We got it. New balance carried down. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. You have to prepare the adjusted bank account. Then after the adjusted bank account, you prepare the bank reconciliation statement on this side. This is the bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Some say bank rec. I don't mind. You can say bank rec. It doesn't matter. But don't write bank rec in your exam. Write bank reconciliation. Take this balance from the corrected balance from the bank account, adjusted bank account, and write balance as per adjusted bank account. 5,000, 50,000, 54,750. Got it? Now let's check what we marked in our bank account, which we didn't take yet. This one is that. This one is it. Is that item? This one means these ones are those items which we did not be marked in the bank account because they are missing in the bank statement, but we didn't take them. So now we have to take them from the bank account. In our bank account, these items are given. These items appearing in our bank account. Got it? But they are not appearing in the bank statement. Right? Now we have already taken the adjusted bank account balance. We have already taken the adjusted bank account. Adjusted bank account. Balance is already taken. Adjusted bank account balance is already taken. See this one. Okay. In this balance, this item is debited, means added to the debit side, isn't it? Added, yeah, added. But it is missing. This one is missing here in the statement, which means in the statement it is not added. So let's minus it. Let's subtract it. Simple as that. Put it out. Take it out. Subtract. Okay. Checks which are actually gone, which are actually appearing in the debit side of the bank account. These are checks received. Okay. Received by us. Checks received but not gone to the bank statement. Received but unrealized by the bank. Yeah. Unrealized checks. How much? 2,500. Let's just put it to the last column. And subtract. $54,750. 50. It becomes, after 2,500 is subtracted, 52,250. Yeah, it's correct, right? Yeah, it's correct. Then we have taken this item too. This item is already taken. Now the only item remaining is this one. You have to take this one also. These are checks which are appearing on the credit side. Checks which are appearing on the credit side of our bank account, business bank account. Which means the checks we have issued, we have given. We have written a check to somebody. Pay Mr. Sundaralingam 4,000 rupees. In numbers also you write and you put your signature, and we issue these checks. That is why these checks are on the credit side. But why have we circled this item? Because it is not appearing on the bank statement, which means we have deducted these given checks, issued but unpresented to the bank. Just because they are deducted, we can add them back to get the bank statement balance here. Add them back in this statement. Add unpresent, issued but unpresented. Let's put it straight to that column. 4,000, this one. And take the final balance. 56,250. Now, fingers crossed. Is it gonna balance? Is it gonna tally with the bank statement? Let's see. Is it gonna tally this amount? This final amount that we got. 56,250. As I can remember, yeah. 56,250, yeah. Here we go. 56,250. Yeehaw. Tallying. It's tallying, see? It's tallying. Bingo. 56,250, 56,250. Done. There we prepared the adjusted bank account and bank reconciliation statement. People call it the bank rec these days, huh? Bank rec. It's like a little, short form, and sounds hip, bank rec. What we do with the bank rec is we tally our adjusted bank account balance, which is this one. We tally it with the bank statement balance, final balance. That is what we do from the bank reconciliation. make these two things tally. That's right. Let's go to the next question, shall we? If you want to look at it, I mean, like the slide, full slide here. Huh. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Yeah. Anyhow, in the end, when accounts, balance and tally like this, when they tally, it's a beautiful thing. Yeah. Okay. Next question. Yeah. The trial balance prepared as at 31st August was not agreed. The difference was posted to a suspense account, and following errors were subsequently revealed. Okay, required is this. Required is journal entries to correct above errors and the suspense account after correcting above errors. Okay, 2 marks for journal entries. Oh, and 2 marks for suspense account. Why? Suspense. Yeah, let's do it right under this question, like we did before. Journal entries should be prepared in a general journal. I mean, for journal entries, you should prepare a general journal. Date, description, debit, credit. If you want a ledger folio also is there. Let's extend the lines down, 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 down. Perfect. General journal. Date, details, debit, credit. Then we need what? The suspense account. I'll draw the suspense account right here. This is the suspense account. Suspense account. Okay, and I have to record the first. We have to record the difference in the suspense account. Don't forget that. All right. Thank you. Don't forget that. Thank you for reminding. Even in the exam, remember, if you draw the suspense account, record or enter the difference into the suspense account. Okay, got it? The trial balance prepared as at 31st August didn't agree, not tallied. There was a difference, and it was, where is that? And the difference was posted to suspense account. Following errors were subsequently revealed. Where is the difference? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There is no difference given. We have to find the difference. We have to do it. Like it or not, we have to find the difference. It's not a big deal. Let's just correct the errors first. Then we can find the difference of the trial balance. I told you the suspense account, not the trial balance. I told you the suspense account is a temporary account. This is a plaster, temporary plaster. When the errors are corrected, this goes out. Got it? First error. An insurance fee paid 2,500 has been recorded only in the cash book. Insurance fee paid 2,500 when we pay insurance or whatever the expense. Cash goes out. Cash goes out means cash goes out. Cash account credited. That expense account debited. Cash credit. That expense account is debit. So insurance account should be debited. Problem is it is not debited. That is the problem. Insurance fee paid has been recorded only in the insurance account. Only in the only in the cash book, not recorded in the insurance account. So credit the cash book, okay, it is done. It is recorded. Credit side is recorded. Debit side, insurance account is not recorded, which means this error affects the trial balance. Because credit side is recorded. You get what I'm saying? Credit side is recorded. This side is recorded. Huh? This side is not recorded. Debit side is not recorded. So debit side, there's a shortage in the trial balance. Also, this shortage will be there. So insurance fee paid 2,500 has been recorded only in the cash book. That is an error. You must correct it. You and I. You and I. Let's correct it. Let's enter to the insurance account debit side 2,500. That should be done in the general journal. Okay, the double entry is entered in the general journal. Let's enter the double entry. Insurance account. Debit side 2,500. Credit to which account? If you debit one account with whatever the amount, with 2,500 or 25,000 or whatever, if you debit, it must be credited. That is the law. Code of the double entry. The code is the law. Yeah, code. Double entry code or the double entry principle. That is the law. If one account is debited, that value must be credited. Where do you credit it? You can't credit it to the cash book. It is already credited. See, it is already credited, already recorded in the cash book. So cash book is done. It is already recorded. You can't credit to the cash book now. It is already done. Already credit to the cash book. Bingo. Where do you credit? Where do you credit? Because this error affects the trial balance. One side is short, to that side To the debit side, you entered. Credit goes to the suspense account. Suspense account. 2,500 credit. Credit. Now let's enter to the suspense account. Where is it? It's here. It's there. 2,500. Credit. Credit, no. Credit. See, credit side, no. Description should be insurance. Insurance is the description, okay? Credit. Done. Next. This is okay. An advertising expenditure of 4750 hasn't been recorded in the trial balance. Oh, this is those confusing errors for some people. Yeah, these are the for some confusing, for some, not for all. Children, there's nothing to get confused about. Advertising expenditure, this account, in that there is no problem. There's no problem at all. No. That advertising expense account had a balance of 4750, 4,750. That has not been recorded in the trial balance. So the error is in the trial balance, not in the expense, not in the advertising expense account. No, error is in the trial balance. Advertising expense is an expense. Expense account balances go to the debit side of the trial balance. Debit side of the trial balance. This is an expense account. Expense account go to the debit of the trial balance. So now debit side 4,750 is missing. That means you must enter to the debit side of the trial balance. 4,750. Yeah. 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 Debit to the trial balance, credit to the suspense account. That is the double entry. This is A. This is B. Oh, narration. You didn't write the narration for the first one. You write the narration, okay? Don't forget the narration. B. Trial balance, debit to the trial balance. And you know that we do not write trial balance. We don't write trial balance when we write the journal entries. We don't write trial balance. It is the tradition, and you can't mention trial balance because yes, in double entries you debit to account. You debit to an account and credit to another account. Okay, and trial balance is not an account, no. So we don't mention. Mention don't the name. Mention don't the name. No, don't mention the name. Trial balance in the journal, but put the amount 4,750 to the debit. To the debit side. Okay. Then expense account balance in the debit side of the trial balance. We entered credit to the suspense account. Credit to the suspense account, right? Suspense account. 4,750 credit. Now let's put this to the suspense account. Credit side here. Again to the credit side. $4,750. Okay, this is what we put. Don't mention anything because we don't mention the name trial balance. Just put a dot line or something. Yeah, that's the tradition. That's the way we do it. And I explained the reason for it, okay? Don't act like, sir is saying the tradition, that is the way we do it, so we don't do it. We don't know why. What is the reason? But just don't do it. Don't go numb like that. I explained why we don't do it. Okay. Right. Next one. This is done. See, a payment made to creditors 7,000 has been recorded twice in the cash, in the books. A payment made to creditors 7,000 has been recorded twice in the books. Duplication errors. Duplicated. Same entry recorded twice. So to correct it, the second entry, the duplicated entry, or the same entry recorded twice now. Now what is the entry? Payment made to creditors 7,000 has been recorded twice. Has been recorded twice. Payment means the cash going out, our cash at hand, cash going out. So cash book credit, creditors account debit. It is recorded again. Cash book credit, creditors account debit. Once it is recorded, and again it is recorded. Cash book credit, creditors account debit. Let's reverse it. Cash book debit, creditors account credit. That's how you correct that error. Payment made to creditors. There is no suspense account there. No suspense account there. Cash book debit. Creditors account credit. Done. That is C. No suspense account there. Okay. This is gonna be the last one. Yeah. Last one. This is also done. Last one, D. Rent income 6,000 has been entered in the rent income account as 600. What a silly error. Rent income means it is an income. Incomes are credited. When incomes are received, credited. Incomes are credited, income increase, credited. In the credit side, not 6,000, 600 is recorded. That means entire 5,400 shortage in the credit side. A full 5,400 of a value should be recorded in the credit side. Okay, but only in the credit side that shortage is there, so it affects the trial balance, which means this error, when we correct it, one entry should go to the suspense account. Well, let's correct it. Why not? Tell me how to correct. Tell me, you boy. Yeah, you guy, yes. Tough guy. Tell me. Yeah. Okay. No, it doesn't go to the cash book. Rent income 6,000 has been entered in the rent income account 600. Rent income is a credit account. Incomes increase credit. In the credit side, 5,400 is missing because see, adu ini record kala. Yeah, adu that shortage we must put to the credit side. Rent income credit. $5,400. Where to debit? Suspense debit. Because there's no other account to correct. Suspense account 5,400. This is D. Don't forget the narrations, okay? Write the narrations. This suspense entry should go to the suspense account. Debit side 5,400. Debit side 5,400. Description is rent income. Got it. Okie dokie. Let's make it smaller so you are clear how to do this probe. Let's balance off the suspense account and we get the balance of the suspense. Balance of the, difference of the trial balance. Okay. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Right. Which side is the highest or greater side, the greater total? It's this side, credit side. 4,750 plus 2,500. 7,250. Yeah? Yeah. 7,250 on this side. And let's check the balance by subtracting 7,250 minus 5,400 on the debit side. 0, 0, 0, 5 minus 0 is, it's 5, 2 minus 4, it's 12 minus 4 becomes 8, 1,850. 1,850 is the difference which had been in the trial balance. So difference of trial balance. There you go. 1,850. Okay. That's it. We put the journal entries. We made A, B, C, D. We made all the journal entries for all the errors A, B, C, D. Write the narrations. Narrations, it's up to you. Then we prepare the suspense account after correcting the above errors. After correcting the above errors. And we found the balance or the difference of the trial balance because it was not given. We found it. Yep, okay. That's what we had to find because the first question was to prepare the journal entries. That is done here. And the second question was to prepare the suspense account after correcting the above errors. When we corrected, while we corrected the errors, we put to the suspense account, and the suspense account also done here. Got the balance of the suspense account, the original balance which came from the trial balance. It is this one. Okay, that's that. This is the 6th question, children. 6th question of the 2017 Western Province 3rd term paper. That is the accounting part. The question before the last question. Last question is the 7th question. We are not going to do the 7th question because in the 7th question, the financial statement part, there is something missing. The paper had actually one part missing, so we cannot work out that part. We cannot now work out and get the answer. The adjustments are missing in the Western Province 2017 3rd term paper, this paper. Unfortunately, yeah, we couldn't find the 7th question fully in the paper. That part was missing. So the 6th question from this, we are going to end this paper 2017 Western Province 3rd term, the last term paper. The 2nd paper. First paper is already done. I hope you will find something interesting, find something useful for you from these, discussions, from these papers that we bring to you. I hope they will be valuable to you. As always, do your work. Don't be stupid. Don't be lazy, right? Do your work. Don't keep anything. Don't, leave anything because you are lazy or because you are, not thinking right. Don't leave anything that you will regret in the future, that you will have to regret in the future. Do your work. When you work, you work. When you play, you play. You will get time. You'll get time for both of these things. As always, very good luck. Best of luck to you for the upcoming O-level examination. We are going to finish one by one all these papers. We have already finished the O-level papers, and we are going to finish these Western Province, the provincial papers, soon. This is the 2017 paper. With the next paper, I'm going to see you soon. Have a good time, guys. See you soon. Bye.
මේ වැදගත් පාඩම් බලන්න දැන්ම DP Education YouTube නාලිකාව subscribe කරන්න. අලුතෙන් channel එකට එකතු වෙන පාඩම් මාලා දැනගන්න. bell button එක ඔබලා තියාගන්න. අපි ලංකාවේ දරුවන්ට නොමිලේම ගන්වන ලොකුම online පාසල DP Education.